case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1958, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Crooker v. California, which revolved around the potential violation of an accused's right to a fair trial and due process if they are denied access to a lawyer. The case centered on a man who was convicted of murdering his lover and subsequently sentenced to death. He argued that his confession was coerced and that he was unconstitutionally denied access to a lawyer during his interrogation. The petitioner, who was arrested and questioned about the murder, requested a lawyer but was not provided with one. Following several hours of interrogation, he confessed to the crime. The victim was his former employer, with whom he had an extramarital affair that had recently been terminated by the victim. The Supreme Court examined whether the confession was genuinely coerced by the police or was voluntarily given by the petitioner. Ultimately, the court found that while the petitioner's request for a lawyer was denied, this did not constitute a constitutional violation. A due process violation would have only occurred if the denial of counsel negatively impacted the trial's fairness. Given his background in criminal law and awareness of his right to remain silent, the petitioner was not prevented from retaining counsel, and the exclusion of his confession was deemed unnecessary. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of the state, affirming the petitioner's conviction.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.